Hello, I'm going to demonstrate how to insert our filing template into your bookkeeping spreadsheet. You need to first of all download our filing template, which you can do from our website. So here we are, 123sheets.com, the homepage. You can either go to landlords and click on download filing worksheet, or if you are in your account when you're logged in, there is a download filing worksheet button here, and you can click on that and then download the version that you're using. So if you're using a modern version of Excel, you'll need this. If you're using a version of Excel from 2009 backwards to 1997, you'll need this other version. But we're using a modern version of Excel, so we're going to click on that one. And I'm going to now open that up and enable the content. And I'm going to open my bookkeeping spreadsheet, which can be any bookkeeping spreadsheet that you might have, if you just imagine that for a moment. Okay, here it is with some rental and some expenses included. So I've got both spreadsheets open, as you can see here. So if you go to View and then View Side by Side, and if that doesn't work, you can then click on Reset Window Position, and now you can see I've got both worksheets open at the same time, both the 123 Sheets filing template and your own bookkeeping spreadsheet. So you want to click on the filing template to activate that sheet, and then you can click on the little tab here and drag and drop it into the bookkeeping spreadsheet and let go, and there we are, it's now inserted into the bookkeeping spreadsheet. Okay, let's just delete that and show you a different way of doing it. If I remove that for a minute. So a different way to do that is to resize windows. So if you are having your windows maximized already, you can click on the squares to be able to resize your window, and you can go to the corner and move it around to how you want to. So if I do that, for example, and move it over here, and then I'll need to do a similar thing to the filing template. So let's just open that up. Okay, and bring it over to this screen. And then if it's already maximized, you click on the squares to unmaximize it, and then you can move it to where you want it to. And you can move the shape that way or this way, or if you get into the corner, you can do both at the same time. And you can click it on the top and move it around. Okay, so we're going to activate the filing template by clicking on this one, and again we're going to click on the little tab here and drag and drop it into the bookkeeping spreadsheet, and there it is again there. And that's simply how you do that. Thank you very much. Bye.